Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel Bhabukhure Traveler. I hope you all are doing great. If you are new on my channel, I'm Sadia. I live in London with my husband and we both love traveling. So we are trying to share our different types of travel memories and beautiful experience with you all. In today's vlog, we will try to share our pleasant experience of Snowdonia Mountain Railway journey, which is known as one of the most beautiful mountain railway journey in the world. And also, it's a 125 years old mountain railway. Isn't it sound exciting? I think it is. At this moment, we are at Llanberis station. We already booked our ticket online. Now we have to collect it from here, and as they recommended, you have to arrive at least half an hour before your journey. So they will explain you everything, how long will be the journey and more or less everything. Basically it's a 2-hour journey if you took the round trip. The last stop of this train will be the Clogwyn station, which is 3/4 mile distance to the summit of Snowdon, which is the highest mountain of Wales and England. At this point I want to make it clear, this train will not take you to the summit. It will take you to the Clogwyn station. From there you have to walk if you want to summit England's most highest mountain. And now we are waiting for our train. At this point I want to mention one more thing. You have to park your car. Like if you are taking the round trip, it will take like approximately 2 hours. So you can park your car for 4 hours because there is no option for 2 hours. There is an option like half an hour free parking. After that you have to park 4 hours, 8 hours or 12 hours, which is cost £4, £8 hours, £8 and 12 hours, £12. And I will write everything in details on the description bar about ticket price and how to book it. Hope it will help you. Soon after you leave the station, you will see cairn waterfall, which is beautiful. And I want to mention one more thing. I couldn't able to capture too many things on this train journey because there was people in the train and we was very excited. Actually, we was enjoying our moment too. But still I try to capture as much as I can. And I will recommend, if you live in UK or if you ever come to visit in UK, please, if your time permits, try to visit this place, try to take this train journey. For one way it will cost £22 and trust me, it's price worthy. So this is the rock valley you are watching now. When you passing the rock valleys, trust me, it will gives you a Hollywood movie type vibes. And after you pass the rock valley, you will see the Llanberis pass from where we came from. So this is the Llanberis pass, which is beautiful, and I try to capture through my 360 camera so you can see how the train is going. And you know, this is beautiful. I can't explain properly because something you can't explain in words. I hope you all are enjoying our vlog. If you like it, let us know on the comment section and don't forget to share our vlog with your loved ones. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have reached our destination, the last stop of this train, which is Clogwyn station. And here is the train. It's a very vintage train, you can see. And one more thing I want to clear, this is not the steam train. Unfortunately, this year the steam train is not working for some technical issues. It will be available on 2022. This station is 2,556 feet high from the sea level, and from here to the Snowdon Mountain top you have to walk around like 2 hours or if you are a fast walker, then you can 1.5 hours it will take to the summit. Unfortunately, Roxy and me, we both were wearing normal boots, so it was not proper hiking boots, so it will be risky for us if we try to hike the Snowdon Mountain. So we decided we'll be in the Clogwyn station area and we'll try to explore the beauty of Llanberis path. As you can see, it's beautiful. The rocky mountain, the cloud, everything is like, this is called breathtaking beauty, isn't it? And we are looking for a deep blue water lake which will be somewhere in this area, and a lake on top of the mountain. Isn't it sound amazing? Now we are going to find out the beautiful blue water lake which called Llanberis. I believe you will enjoy the beauty of Rock Valley and the Llanberis lake as much as we did. So we try to capture as much as possible. Hope you will love it. Please let us know. And that's why I said please watch the full vlog. And from now I will not talk anymore. I will let you enjoy the beauty of nature. Inshallah in next vlog we'll see again. Till then, be safe, be happy, stay with positivity, love nature, love yourself. That's it.
I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side. My soul might touch the ground. I need someone to hold my mind. I need someone to hold my mind. When the sun comes down and when I feel I've drowned, I need someone to hold. How I feel, I can show you, baby, one more time. When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side. When I fall asleep, yeah, by my side. So long, I need you with me by my side. I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side. I need someone to hold my mind. I need someone to hold my mind. When the sun comes down and when I feel I've drowned, I need someone to hold how I feel. I can show you, baby, one more time. When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side. When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side.